Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and I am so glad you guys are here. Today let's do a little unboxing video. This is going to be a short video, I think. I don't think I got any add-ons this month either. Next month I did. I picked up like 2 add-ons. I haven't been buying a lot of add-ons and that was kind of like the main reason for me keeping the Boxycharm subscription going. I used to have all 3 and then I changed to only get 1 each month and I'm enjoying it. I feel like I have a huge collection and I don't need more stuff. Plus, you guys aren't asking for it. You guys aren't asking me to do unboxings for all 3. I might consider it if you guys were asking for that. They don't send it to me for free, so I buy it. Mainly, I kept the base box so that I could shop the add-ons because I like to know what I'm getting. I know people like to be surprised, but I'm not one of those people. I should probably bring you up to speed. What I've got on my face right now, at least my eyeshadow, is a number of shades from Natasha Denona's pastel palette, as well as 2 shades from her Safari palette. So if you're interested in taking a look at this kind of look, I did post this video on St. Patrick's Day, so you might have to go back and take a look at the archives. But yeah, if you go to my channel and go to videos, you'll see all of the stuff. Usually like 3 times a week, except for December. December was out of control. Okay, you guys, so this is the flyer that comes in it. This is the March Boxycharm. This one's called Game Changer. First thing in here is the Coors Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. This one. That's what this looks like. I remember it being in a bottle, so I was looking for something that might be the shape of a bottle. So let's open this up here. I want to think I've gotten this in the past. Oh yeah, I've gotten this in the past. I think I've even used it. But this is a Reversatrol, Replenish, Retexture, Velvet Skin Drink, it says. Santorini Grape. I'm not really smelling anything grape-like in here. That's probably good. So this says, transform your skin to velvet with a single drop of the so like 1 drop. Single drop of the multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections, smooths textures, and replenishes skin with awakened hydration. $48 MSRP. You know what? For fun, let's put a drop of this in the back of each hand. People don't tell you when you're young. Somebody told me in my 20s and I didn't heed it. But you know, we put sunblock on our faces. We don't do it on our hands. And that's one of like the 2 places, I'm just putting a drop here. One of the 2 places that we can always tell somebody's age. Back of your hand and your neck. Those are the 2 places. Okay, so I've got 1 drop on one hand and 1 drop that's not on the other. Let's go ahead and put a drop on the other hand. My hands were looking a little parched and a little dry. So it's got a little bit of a scent. It almost smells a little bit like olive oil. Maybe that's the Santorini part. So the good thing is that my skin literally drank it right up and there's no shine. So that's good. All right. I'll have to come back and use it on my face again and see what my memories are on it. Okay, the next thing in here is a Persona Cosmetics lip liner. That must be in this. Comes in its own little pack. This one is in shade 90210. So let's break the seal. I almost bought this in the add-ons. When I saw the add-ons open up too, I was like, oh wait, hold on. That's a beautiful color. What a great brown neutral. I don't really need this, but might as play, right? All right, 90210, sure, I get that. Great formula. Now I need to touch up my lipstick too a little bit here. This is just the Cala from Natasha Denona, her recent Ada Rose collection. Yeah, that's okay. MSRP on that is $14. A line defined, shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide-on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. $14. I like that. Yeah, okay. The next thing in here is the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics, the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. That must be this one. So you would think a foundation travel set. Foundation, I'm thinking foundation. I don't think it's foundation so much as foundation application tools. Yeah, we got a foundation brush and a sponge. I'm not going to open this up yet because I have several of these already. I like the fact that I have several that are open already that are not quite ready to cycle out. This actually feels nice and soft and it's really piquito, so I'm going to be curious to see how much bigger it gets when you get it damp. And then this is the Flirtatious foundation brush. I don't use a lot of these foundation brushes. I gotta be honest, I'm more of a flat foundation brush style. I like the way I can buff it into my skin a little bit more than this. I feel like I'm painting it on a little bit. So I might use this to kind of blend out concealer, blend out maybe an eyelid primer. It's small, it's a nice little travel size. So this one says, so that's what this box is right here. A flawless finish that lasts all day, begins with the right tools. Okay, I can see that. The Perfect Duel by Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics is the essential foundation tool travel set featuring Quick Beat, a latex-free foam beauty sponge with a unique sharp tip and flat edge, and Mini Base, an exclusive travel-size paddle-shaped synthetic brush with a shorter handle for an easier application. She's perfect for on-the-go glam. Both tools are key for smooth application that melts onto your skin, especially in hard-to-reach places. $30 MSRP for both of these. This is a new launch. Next thing on here is the Frank & Body Vitamin C Mask. My experience with Frank & Body, I've had their like coffee scrub. I hate having to clean out coffee bean residue, coffee grounds from my shower. So I haven't been really focused on the brand. Brightening Vitamin C Mask. Let's put a little of this on. Ooh. Okay, it's very liquidy. I don't know why I was thinking a mask being more, and I've literally spread that part of a pump all over my hand. I'm still trying to see if there's a scent. I'm not really sure on that one. Okay, well, you know what? We need to read some instructions on here. So bad day, look on the bright side, your skin's having a good one, it says. For babes who bite the forbidden fruit, then mask it. So it's made with cacao plum and papaya enzyme. Okay, so this says this is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks, natural and cruelty-free. It's packed with vitamin C, rich cacao plum. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I apologize, you guys. To reveal your brightest, clearest skin, it devolves your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract, along with lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acid. Sophisticated formula. It's got more than one move. Use the vitamin C for some hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum or that beauty filter. I thought I said filler. $19.95 MSRP. That's actually a good price. It has like a cooling feeling. I'm not sensing any kind of like weird tingly or irritation or whatever. What are the directions on this? How to use. Apply a thick layer to face, rub in circular motion for 30 seconds, leave for 5 minutes, then rinse. Evenly distribute. Oh, and then it says, evenly distribute sunglasses to every person you come in contact with. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. You know what? I'm gonna use that. I might even use that tonight and see how it looks on my skin. I feel like what I put on, there was no way to get a thick layer, so maybe it just needs to be shaken up more. Jury's out on that one. We're gonna have to come back on that one. The last thing in here is Item Beauty by Addison Rae. This is a Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Interesting. So it says, thanks, why read it? Then we won't be surprised here. Okay, so lip oil, looks like it's a nice kind of coral color. Might as well just put it on top of what I've got going on, right? This has I want to call it like a melon scent. What does this say about this here? So it says, thanks to good for you ingredients, this jojoba oil, almond oil, and Camellia japonica seed oil and shea butter. This luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps your lips soft and kissable. MSRP is $14. It's very comfortable, a little thicker than some of the other lip oils that I've used recently. And I'm not really quite sure what the scent is. I want to think it's some sort of melon. That's what it feels like to me. Let's do the math really fast on what $25-ish, $27 got us in March base box. So we had $48 for the Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. We have $14 for the lip liner from Persona. We have $30 for the foundation travel set. We have $19.95 for the Frank & Body Vitamin C mask. And we have $14 for the lip oil. $125.95 is my total MSRP for all the items that were picked up in this month's Boxy. The things that I'm excited about. I'm actually excited about the vitamin C mask and the Santorini grape skin drink. That sounds like a really good combination. I'm also excited about the Persona lip liner and the lip oil. I think that's gonna be fantastic. The one thing that I think I'm not as excited about is this Perfect Duel, because that flat brush is just not what I would normally apply foundation with. It was years ago. I just have gotten away from doing a flat paddle brush for foundation, but I think it would be good for maybe distributing or buffing out under eye, concealer over blemishes, those types of things. So maybe I'll get some use out of it. The smaller size of the sponge, I think actually will be great for travel. I don't really have a problem traveling with regular full sizes though. I have a big makeup bag that I travel with. that's it for today's. You guys are not disappointed at all. Actually, this was a pretty good box. A couple makeup items, some skincare items, and some tools. Yeah, I think that's actually kind of a good range. So anyway, I hope you guys found this somewhat interesting. I know these are kind of short videos, especially since I'm not unboxing a lot of different stuff all at the same time, but it is a subscription that I get, and it seems like you guys enjoy seeing what I'm getting. I don't know, you guys let me know. Did you guys get something similar, or are your boxes completely different? Yeah, leave me a comment down below, one way or the other. Maybe you guys don't even get Boxy anymore. Maybe you never did. Maybe you're thinking about it. Don't know. If you guys are interested, let me know. If you guys don't have it and you are interested, let me know, and I'll see if I can track down a code for you. Feel free to follow me over on Instagram. You can DM me over there, or you can leave me a comment down below and tell me how to get a hold of you if you're looking for a code because you're interested, and I will find one for you. I don't have it in my description box anymore. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well, and I hope that this month, what are we in? We're in April. I hope April is spectacular for you. I know this is March's box and then coming to you in April, but that's just the way my schedule is. So I hope you guys are doing really well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.